Alright everybody, so much like completing a Rubik's Cube, not everything goes as planned sometimes. You end up spending a little more time on it than you'd like. So long story short, I'm still here. Fortunately I'm comfortable, so I'm just going to go ahead and continue on, move forward to our second video on the second row. So first row is complete, let's move on to that second row. What you want to do to start with this, and this is very simple, we're only moving 4 cubes, these guys here, alright? What you want to do to start is find a cube that doesn't have yellow on it up top here. Now I went ahead and I started this in a worst case situation where they all have yellow so you can see what you need to do. Because what you're going to do is when you have a good cube with no yellow on it on top, you're going to end up taking it from the top and putting it on the side that it belongs on. So in a situation like this where you got all yellow on top, it doesn't matter where you start because you're going to switch one of these cubes with one of the good ones. Then the good one will be on top and you can go from there and start doing the rhythms that you need to do to get it in place where it belongs and face in the right direction. Hopefully that makes sense. You'll understand more when you watch here. So again, it doesn't matter which way it faces, it doesn't matter which way the top spins. Any way you do this right now, you're going to remove one of the cubes that you need. So I'm going to get into detail of the rhythm here in a second. I'm going to go ahead and do it to get one of these on top. I'm just giving you an understanding of what you do when you have a yellow on top. I'll get more into detail with the rhythm when we have the correct color on top. Alright, so we have a good color on top now. There's no yellow here. So this is the one that you'd want to start with now that it's on top, and you're about to learn how to do that. Being that we have a color and we're going to use this cube, this actually matters where we start. We can't just start on any side. This is going to go between the red and the blue. The red is facing you, the blue's on top. Again, white's bottom, yellow's on top, the blue's on top, red's on the side. So you want to start on the red side because the red's on the side. You know it's the red side because you've already got these two complete. So once you got all 3 of these lined up, you're ready to put this bad boy where it goes. That's going to be right here. So again, like I said, we're going to switch cubes. So what you want to do to make this happen is, again, look at the color you have on top. You want it on that side, so you're going to turn it away from the blue side. Blue's on top, turn it away from blue. So turn that top away from the blue. Go ahead and bring that blue side up. Give the top another turn in the same direction. Now it's reverse time. Bring the blue side down. Bring the top the direction it came from. And then one more thing here, you'll recognize this. We got to put that corner where it was. It's already on the side that it needs to be on. You're going to do just like you did in the first video. You're going to turn it away from the blue while keeping it up top facing you. Then you're going to bring it back next to the whites that moved up and bring it down where it belongs. And look what's right next to it. Your blue and your red piece that we wanted to put there. So you're ready to go. Now, like I said, you switch this with the cube that was there, which was another good cube, an orange and a green one, no yellow. So now we can move this one. This one's going to go obviously in between the green and the orange. So what you want to do is have it on the orange side. It's already there, so we don't need to spin it in any direction to get it to line up with the orange side. Green's on top. We're going to start by turning away from the green. So let's do that. Away from the green. Bring the green side up. Give it another turn in the same direction. Now it's reverse time. Bring the green side down. Bring the top in the direction that you came from. And then again, you just got to put that corner where it belongs now. This is still lined up. It will always be like this. Turn it away. Bring it back. Bring it back down. There you go. Everything's where it belongs. Alright. So that one was a yellow piece. So again, we're in a situation where we got all yellows on the top. So we need to find the one that we need to move. This one's good. This one's clearly not. Right colors, facing the wrong way. Same with this one. So we need to get these guys on top. So how do we do that? Well, we can switch it with any one of these because they all got yellow on it, so it doesn't matter. We know that we're going to switch it with whatever one's on top as long as we're turning this one away from it. So if I turn it this way, I'm switching it with this one. If I do that same rhythm but I turn it this way, I'm switching this one. Well, I don't want to switch that one because that one's good. So let's go ahead and switch these two. So we're going to turn it away from the one that I want. We're going to bring that up, turn it again, reverse time, down, back to you, our famous little white corner, same rhythm as always, and there we go. So the yellow one's here now, and then the cube that we moved up is on the back side. So let's go ahead and spin it around to where it belongs. Blue's on front, there we go, orange, orange, turn it away from the color that you want it on, so away from the orange. Orange side up, same direction on top, keep turning. Now it's reverse time. Bring the orange side down, bring the top back where it came from. Corner cube gets to go back down where it was. Bringing that up, bringing it over, bringing it down. There we go. Alright, so one more. We got all yellows on top. Let's get that guy out of there. Doesn't matter which one we use because they're all yellow. We just need to turn it away from that to move that one. So away, up, away, reverse time, so back down, back towards you, white cube, just put that back where it goes. And there you go. You got your red and your green cube back on top. So you can finish this off. Just find the green side that it belongs on. We're doing red, so we're going to turn it away from the red. We're going to bring the red side up. We're going to give it another turn. Bring the red side back down, bring the top back to you, and then just get that corner where it needs to go. Turn it away from these colors, keep it up top facing you, and bring it back where it was, next to these whites. Bring it down. And there you go. You got all four of those corners right where they need to be. That's one of the more complicated rhythms if you ask me. But that's it. So now we can move on to the third row. So, that wasn't so bad. We'll move on to the third row. Give me a second here. I'm pretty comfortable. I'm just going to start a new video. Hopefully it will be timely again. That being said, maybe we can move on to a quick wiping of the ass lesson. Thank you.